In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link a recipe to a meal in a Google Sheets meal planner on desktop. Imagine having your favorite recipes just a click away, neatly organized in your digital meal planner. It's a small change that can make meal planning more effective and your cooking routine smoother and more enjoyable. Let's dive in and see how you can accomplish this easily. First things first, open your meal planner sheet on Google Sheets. If you have it bookmarked in your web browser, that's great. It makes for quick and easy access. If not, just navigate to Google Sheets through your Google account and find your meal planner file. Once you have it open, you'll be setting the stage for an organized and efficient planning experience. Now, select the cell where you want the recipe link to appear. It's usually helpful to have a dedicated column in your planner specifically for recipe links, but you can place them wherever best suits your needs. By clicking the cell, you're preparing it to host the new hyperlink you're about to create. Next, go to the Insert menu found at the top of your spreadsheet. It's nestled among several other options like File and Edit, and it's your gateway to adding additional elements to your sheet. In the drop-down menu, you'll find an option labeled Link. Select it, and you'll notice a small window pop up, inviting you to insert the URL of your chosen recipe. At this stage, you can either paste the URL of your recipe directly or choose a specific sheet location if your recipes are stored within another sheet in your document. It's this versatility that makes Google Sheets incredibly handy for organizing information in a way that best suits your workflow. Copy the URL from your recipe's web page or navigate within your Google Sheet to locate where you have the information stored. This is your moment to bring the world of culinary creativity right to your meal planner. Once you've pasted the URL or selected the sheet location, all you need to do next is click Apply. This action will embed your link into the cell, making the recipe just a click away whenever you need it. It's truly as simple as that. Of course, you'll want to repeat this process for each meal in your planner. This might take a little time up front if you're adding links for an entire week's, and surely some of you go further, meals. But once it's done, you'll save so much time down the line. Meal planning and preparation will become seamless, and having every recipe at your fingertips is a real game changer. And that's how you link a recipe to a meal in a Google Sheets meal planner on desktop. I hope you found these steps straightforward and helpful. Feel free to revisit this guide whenever you need a refresher. Thanks for tuning in, happy meal planning, and enjoy every delicious dish.